Answer 2566, arrive 37, vacate by Bravo. Contact thanks to ground 121.7.
Bravo over to ground, westjet 2566.
Southwest 907, thanks to tower. Confirm ready for departure.
907.
Southwest 907, cleared for takeoff, runway 07, wind 090 degrees, 22 knots.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 7, Southwest 907.
Good morning, Delta 1997 is on the visual, or RMP, runway 7.
1 at 997, thanks to tower, cleared to land runway 07, wind 090 degrees, 16 knots.
Runway 7, Delta 1997.
West 907, airborne tree 9er, contact thanks to radar 120.8, good day.
20.8, Southwest 907.
Delta 1997, arrive 42, vacate by Alpha and the say gate.
Yeah, Alpha, we're going to gate 18.
Delta 1997, roger, taxi Alpha, Echo gate 18.
Echo to 18 Delta 1997, MC runway 07.
2618, thanks to tower. Clear to land, runway 07, wind 070 degrees, 24 knots.
Runway 07, clear to land, American 261.
Thanks for tower, American 875, RNAV RNC, runway 07.
And 875, thanks to tower, continue approach runway 07, wind at station 070 degrees, 19 knots.
New approach, runway 07, American 875.
And 2618, arrive 49er, vacate via taxiway Alpha, say gate.
Alpha and gate 10 for American 2618.
And 2618, roger. After vacating the runway, taxi Alpha, Echo, gate 10, and requesting a pirate when able.
Alpha, Echo to the gate, and pirate, it was smooth on the ride down, just about a 10-15 knot headwind.
618, roger, thank you. And 875, clear to land, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 18 knots.
American 875.
RFE 07.
Winter flight 125, thanks to tower, continue approach runway 07. Number 2 landing sequence, number 1 traffic, Airbus 321, formal final runway 07.
07.
American 875 arrive 55, vacate next right, contact thanks to ground 121.7.
121.7, American 875, good day.
Clear flight 125, wind 080 degrees, 19 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
07, clear to land, departure flight 125.
Clear flight 125, arrive 58, vacate via Bravo, safe parking.
Although, and we'll have to get back to you with the gate, we'll try and contact ops.
125, roger. Taxi Alpha, hold short of Echo, monitor ground 121.7, advise when you have the gate.
Alpha Sorta Echo 121.1 for 7 for ground frontier flight 125.
With 1116, ready taxi. Via Alpha for 7 and 11875, Southwest 1116.
Southwest 1116, thanks to tower, confirm fully ready for departure.
Southwest 1116.
Southwest 1116, confirm fully ready for departure.
Southwest 1116.
116, clear for takeoff, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 24 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 7, Southwest 1116.
That's 1116, Airborne 08, contact thanks to radar 120.8, good day.
0.8, good day, Southwest 1116.
JW279 over same for runway 07.
JW279, thanks to tower, continue approach, runway 07, wind 080 degrees, 17 knots.
Continue the approach, JW279.